Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820 to any smartphone and how to use its basic features. Let's get into it. First, you need to set up Wi-Fi connection on your printer. To do this, stay on the home screen, tap on the Wi-Fi icon at the top. You have two options: connect to the router or Wi-Fi direct connection. I will not connect my phone directly to the printer in this video, but if you ever need this feature, just tap on that, start setup. Then select your operating system, let's say iOS, and all you need to do is just scan this QR code with your smartphone camera or tap on other methods and connect to this network using this password. Very simple. For this example, I will use more common method. I will connect my printer to Wi-Fi network, so all devices in my home network will have easy access to this printer. So tap on Wi-Fi, which is recommended, start setup, and tap on Wi-Fi setup wizard. You have other methods, but Wi-Fi setup wizard is the most reliable method. It works always, so tap on that. It's searching for your router. Tap on your Wi-Fi network name. If you don't see your Wi-Fi router here, just tap on search again, and then tap on your Wi-Fi network. Tap on this field and enter your password. Hit OK and start setup one more time. Well, setup complete, the printer is connected. Now you can just press the home icon and continue on your smartphone. What you need is open App Store or Google Play Store on Android devices and install Epson Smart Panel application. So let's open this app. It's already installed on my smartphone. Agree to the terms and conditions. OK in this screen with privacy statement. And for the next step, make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi router as your printer or connected to the printer directly. So let's continue in the application. You need to grant permissions. So allow to use your location while using app. And next, allow to find Wi-Fi devices. So allow. Your printer is found right away. Tap on its name. And connection is complete. Actually, you're all set. All you have to do now is select the application interface. Use cards or use tiles. Anyway, you can change this later in settings. So tap on use tiles. I prefer this. I see this warning sign because my printer doesn't have cartridges inside. I'm still waiting for supplies. But the first thing I recommend you to do in the application is tap on the printer's icon and check for firmware update. I see the warning indicator over here because my printer doesn't have cartridges inside. I'm still waiting for supplies. However, the printer is connected to smartphone and it can be detected by any application that has a print feature. Let's say I want to print an email, so let me open Gmail, select any letter. I can tap on these three dots, select print all. And now first thing you need is make sure that your printer is selected in this drop down. So select your printer. Maybe they have some presets for you. Yes, you can select, for example, color preset and adjust your settings manually as well. Select range of pages, number of copies you wish to make, print in color or grayscale, double-sided printing. By the way, this printer is capable of printing on both sides automatically. You don't need to turn pages manually. Set your paper size if it's not set automatically, orientation, scaling, media and quality if it's not selected automatically once again, and experiment with layout. Here you can deselect pages you don't want to print and just tap on print and the printer will just do its job. Also, you can print directly from the application. If you tap on this print style, you can select between print photos and print documents and it takes you to your file system. Just select a document, adjust your settings and tap on print. It will appear here. Now let me show you also how to scan. Let's go back to the home screen. Tap on scan And here's your settings. Set your document size, image type, color or grayscale, resolution up to 600 dpi, but 300 is very good for documents. Also, you can experiment with remove background feature. As I know, it works pretty good here. So let's set to standard. Also, you can use automatic rotation, just in case if you put the document upside down, and select image format. Keep in mind, if you need multi-page document, you have to select PDF, because image formats don't support multi-page. Now let's put the document on the scanner glass. So open this lid and put the side you wish to scan facing down, and make sure the top left corner of your document is aligned with this arrow pointing to the top left corner of the scanning surface. So glide your document like this, fit borders snugly, and close the lid. And just tap on Start in the application and wait for the result on your screen. So here is the result. The background removed perfectly, almost perfectly. Right away you can add more pages. Just place the next document on the scanner glass and tap on Scan after this. So now you have 2 pages. You can drag and drop to change order, and there are not so much options to edit the document. You can just rotate pages or rotate all of them together like this. You can crop pages, rotate in the frame, use your fingers to upscale or downscale, and proceed to save your changes. This can be undone, so be attentive here. Once you're done scanning, just tap on Next. Rename your file in this field if you want, hit Done once you're ready, and save. Save to your file system. This is the system dialog. Select folder, let's say Documents, and press Save. Now you can go back to the home screen by tapping Yes, or stay on this screen and tap on the Share icon and use one of your messengers or other applications to share the files or print it right away. One more scanning option is Scan from ADF, or Automatic Document Feeder. What you need is a switch document source to ADF. The ADF unit is located on the top of your printer, and you can put a stack of documents in it like this. Make sure you put in the documents facing up and the top of your document is heading to the left like this. So align the stack of your documents with this paper guide, and then just tap on the Start in the application and see what will happen. So now the unit is scanning your pages one by one. They will go here and feed out from the bottom over here. And the result appears on your screen. You can switch between pages using this thumbnail bar or by swiping left and right on the pages. You can add the next stack and create really big file just in short period of time. And once you're done scanning, just tap on Next and you will have the same options to share or save your file. Also, Epson Smart application allows you to control the copy feature of your printer. So you can tap here, select copy or ID card copy, and adjust your copy settings from here. But actually you can do the same from the printer's display, so consider what is better for you. Now let's go back to the home screen. They have one more feature, is document capture, but I don't recommend you to use document capture in this application because it can't create multi-page documents. If you really need to scan with your smartphone camera, I recommend you this application, Microsoft Lens. This is absolutely free and pretty powerful. Now, what else? You can adjust the application settings by tapping on these 3 bars over here, explore this menu, and enter your printer settings by tapping on its image. And that's pretty it. And honestly, there is not much else to add to this video. I hope it was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.